In this video, I'm going to talk about illustrative mathematics. I chose to share illustrative mathematics because it sparks discussion and enjoyment of mathematics. Students learn by doing, solving problems in mathematical and real-world contexts, and constructing arguments using precise language. Illustrative mathematics designs lesson teachers can use for independent group or whole class work. After selecting a grade, they can choose the relevant unit, chapter, and lesson. It will bring you to a page with uh, preparational instructions, a lesson plan, and practice problem. My goal for this video is to give math teachers a resource that they can use to help create lesson plans over different standards. This website ensures all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet students' learning needs and support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the desired learning of individual students. So looking a little closer at illustrative mathematics, this is the home page. On the home page, you can either click on K through 5, 6 through 8, or 9 through 12, depending on what age group you're trying to teach. So let's say if we're doing middle school, so 6th through 8th grade. So I'm going to launch this curriculum. Then it asks us to pick what grade. Are you teaching 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade? So let's go with 7th grade. And this will break it down into the different units. Okay, so the different standards that a 7th grader teacher has to teach their students. So let's go with probability and samples for example. So probability and samples, okay, unit 8 has 20 lessons. Okay, so each of these lessons build on each other. Okay, over on the left, it kind of talks about what is each one covering. Okay, is it covering sample, using samples? Okay, putting it all together. So let's look at one of them. So let's go this one. Okay, it gives you three different options. Okay, so preparation. So what information or materials will you need for the lesson? Okay, that gives us here, it talks about the standards, okay, and it goes a little bit further, okay, what the students will know. If we click on lesson, this gives a detailed lesson plan on how to run your class when you teach it. Then each of the lessons also comes with a practice, which is very nice. This practice is based on what the lesson covers. So after you do your lesson, it already provides you with a practice problem that you can use to assign to your students. Another nice thing about this website, instead of going all the way back to the homepage to look at the different lessons, you can just come right across the top and click on the different lesson. So if we're on lesson 2, if we want to look at lesson 3, okay, it takes me right to lesson 3. It gives me the lesson plan, it gives me what I need to know before, and it gives us a practice problem. This is a little bit about how illustrative mathematics works and how you could use it in your classroom.